yesterday, there was like a police officer right here. They're everywhere today, man. Looked like he left. Just gotta be careful though, because these motherfuckers like to hide in the cut, like where that car is. They like to hide over there. They be hiding on people's private property. Get you. Oh, some shit, I forgot. Damn, man, I can't believe I forgot the tripod for this thing, man. Got that on my back. Honestly, I don't see how people take the fucking back brakes off their motorcycle, dude. Especially a liter bike. It's just, the only way I can see it is if you're on a controlled track. And then even then, still sketchy. There's no way. I was about to go through that damn, I was gonna go through that light. But at the last minute, I tried to stop, as y'all saw, and it didn't slow down as quick as I thought it was. I was like, oh shit. And I was using both brakes. And honestly, in all honesty, that crash could have happened because I should have just went through it. But that's the illegal thing to do. But it's also the safest thing to do, especially when the light turns. Yellow and red. That quick, just roll through it. Back. Woo! Yes, sir. This motherfucker bad. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, this thing's sounding, it's performing pretty great, man. I'm telling you. It looks like I burned off all of the fiberglass off the wrap. I'm liking it. It's not turning white yet, so that's always a good thing. I guess if it turns white, I'll redo it and try to do it more properly. I was trying to avoid actually having to take the thing back off. You know, didn't really want to do that, so. But yeah, airbox is coming soon. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna film that, putting it in, and then we are going to get this thing flashed, man. I'm still undecided. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up going to my local tuner, Steadfast Performance more than likely, or Black Widow, and I'm gonna ask them what they can do with the flash, because in light of all the the wrecks, local wrecks and stuff that have been happening lately. I really do want to get this. I've been really rethinking the pops and bangs from More Mafia, and I'm really considering that, to have that extra to people to hear me, especially on the highway. When you slow down, they can start hearing that pop and they know that somebody is coming or somebody's there. So I'm really thinking about that. Thinking about just digging the ECU out, sending it out at the same time, same day, install the air filter and send it out, or find out from the tuner what they can actually do, if they can do pops and bangs and things like that. But yeah, loving it. Let's go, baby.